Madam, good afternoon.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
You are welcome, sir.
I came to report your daughter to you because our school, people are prouding of taking their children to our school. And what testing is doing, I don't like it. Testing used to make noise in the class rather than putting herself on what the teacher is teaching.
My own daughter.
Yes, Testy. She do make noise. And I don't want a situation when you will be regretting ever taking your daughter to our school.
Testimony.
Ma.
You gotta make noise for school, Abby. You want us school to comedy.
Silence too much for school, so I say make I contribute with noise.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!